Hello, Comunicants! Ayan, welcome to Kumu Travel with Mr. Chef. Ayan, abangan nyo po ako. Pupuntahan natin ngayon yung oldest church dito sa San Miguel, Bulacan. At one of the oldest lugawan here also. Ayan, abangan natin guys ha. Ayan, on the way na tayo guys. Punta muna tayo sa guys, sa the oldest San Miguel Church, Catholic Church. Ayan, dito na tayo guys sa one of the oldest Catholic Church. So ito guys yung one of the oldest Catholic Church here in San Miguel, Bulacan. Kaya pinupuntahan na natin yung the oldest gotohan here in San Miguel since 1975.